Loretta, I got a few emails last night about the unmounting of stamps and how I'm storing them and how I use them after they come off the wood block. So that's what this video is about. Enjoy it. Alright, one of the ways I like to store my unmounted stamps are in these Stampendous boxes. They are, I think, about 1.5 inches. No, they're 1 inch deep by 8.5 by 11. So you could actually store a sheet of cardstock or a bunch of cardstock in these. And when I unmount them, I just put them in here. Now, here's the thing. These are not like categorized or anything, so I don't have any of these in my inventory system. I do like Evernote. It is an app you can download for your phone or your computer. I did buy the upgraded version. It's like $10 a year, so you have more storage on their site for your stamps. You can take a picture, you can write a description, and then all you have to do is like a keyword search for butterflies or grass or whatever, and you can know what you have. And if I were really smart, each box would be labeled like 1 of 10, and then an index sheet would be there that would coordinate with that Evernote. I haven't gotten there yet, but I will. But this is what they look like. So, you can use either something like Tack It Over and Over from Aleene's, or you can use glue dots, and you can also use Easy Melt Foam. The problem is Easy Melt Foam right now is skyrocketed through the roof as far as prices are concerned. You can use Fun Foam probably. I wouldn't really recommend it. But if you have a Misty, these Misties have this rubber mat in them for when you're stamping with photopolymer stamps. Leave it in. And your regular stamp, like this one, will have a cushion. You're just going to put your stamp on the door, close the door, and stamp with it. So if you're going to be using, you can use tape. You can use repositional tape or just regular tape. Put a little bit on the back. Put the stamp where you want it to go. Close the lid. And you're good to go. Over and over and over. The same works for just a regular acrylic block. When you're done, peel it off and just remove the adhesive either with your fingernails or maybe even a sticker remover like Gooby Gone or this Undo. It used to be called Scrapper Solution, now it's just called Undo. And this will come right off, as you can see. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So I hope that this kind of helped answer some of the questions I've been getting about how I store them and how to use them once they come off the blocks. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.